Hello, this is Maggie Franz. I trust you have a wonderful day, and I'm here to show you how you can stake your UMI coins using your laptop or your computer or using your cell phone, but going through the website. Sigen.pro is an exchange platform where you can purchase your UMI coins, and because it has a built-in UMI wallet, you can also use it to stake your coins right there. And I'm going to show you the procedure, so just follow me very well. And so now you can go to Google and type in Sigen.pro, or you can go directly to the address area and then type in Sigen.pro and then enter. This is where you will come. So this is the Sigen.pro website. If you see anything that is not Sigen.pro, then that's not the correct website. So make sure that you're on the correct website. If you don't have an account yet, click here to register your account. You enter your email address, you enter your password, and then you request code via email. So the code will then come on your email. Should you find this page not in English, you click on this flag here, and then you choose English. There's so many languages, so choose your language that you speak, all right, or that you communicate with. And if you already have an account, click on login here and then enter your email address, enter your password, and also request code via email. Then you go to your email, get the code, type it in or paste, copy and paste. It's not a long code, so it's just six numbers, I think. And then you just enter. This is now what you see once you have signed into your account. This is what you're going to do. Here on the right side, here on the top right side, you can click on the drop down arrow and then you click on wallet. So I've already funded this account with 22.85 UMI coins. You can see on the available balance right here. And so if you haven't purchased UMI yet, you can fund your account. You can fund your account with any of this. You can fund your account with BTC, Litecoin, or Ethereum. We normally prefer Litecoin because it's cheaper in withdrawal fees from altcoin trader. And I believe from other exchanges as well. BTC has become a bit expensive, so please check your withdrawal fees before you send BTC. If it is reasonable, then go ahead and send BTC. If it is not reasonable, change to your local currency to Litecoin and then send your Litecoin to your Sigen. There is another video that explains all that. All right, so when you come here with your Litecoin, you can then use this exchange platform to exchange your Litecoin to BTC. Here, if I go down here, I've chosen LTC, right? It is by default on sale right now. It's okay. I'll click on market because when you use market, you will buy your coins on the market price like right now immediately. If you want to set your own price, you click on limit, but we usually just click on market. We enter the amount here and automatically the amount of LTC will jump on and it will show you as to how many BTC will you get. The fees are normally 0 and then you click on sell. Now you have exchanged your Litecoin to BTC. And here you can see that UMI is paired with BTC. You click on there because now you have BTC. Here, when you are here, you buy UMI. You click on buy, and it's already on market. It's fine. Then you click on the amount here of BTC. Click on it, automatically jumps on. It will show you how many UMIs you will get. As long as there are more than 20, you can stake. And here on the fees is normally 0. Then you click on buy. Now you have purchased your UMIs. If you go to the wallet here on the top side, I'll click here and then I'll click on wallet. you will find your available balance right here. And if you haven't activated your UMI address, this is what you're gonna do. Copy your UMI address. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. I already showed how you can create your UMI address, right? You just simply click on here, create address. You do that to any other coins, even BTC. If you are receiving BTC from somewhere, click on there, then click here to create your address. This is your address. You then copy it here. So similarly to Litecoin, you just also click here to create your Litecoin address. If you already have it, you just copy it here and then you go to wherever your Litecoins are. Okay, let's go back to UMI. Right now, we want to activate the UMI address because it has not received anything. So it's not activated. We are not even sure that our UMI address is functioning very well. If you have already received UMI coins, please don't create a second address. Use the same address that you already have. Okay, don't create a second. If you create a second address and that's what you are going to use to stake, then activate that one. It should be clear. Now I have pasted this address. I'm going to enter the minimum, 0.01, that's the minimum, just to activate my UMI address. So they have sent the code to my email. Let me go there. It's my email in here. So I'm waiting for the code on my email. Just bear with me. It is. Okay, let me enter it. 54716. Okay. It is successfully sent. So now that address has received something, it's ready to stake. It is activated. So copy that address. As I told you, I'm going to use the second one. Okay, so as you can see, I've already used this one in another video, so I will not be able to stake because it has already staked. previously. So I will not be able to use this address. As you can see, it was created in March back then. So that's why I'm ignoring this address and using this one that I've created today for the sake of this video. So I hope you guys understand the reason why I'm using this second address, because this one has already been used, so it will not serve the purpose of this video. So now I'm going to copy this address. It is activated. I have my UMI coins. Let's go ahead and stake. Very important. The person who has invited you to the business has given you a referral link. Okay. So please follow that link if you are using a laptop. Because if you're using an app, it's easy because you just copy and paste. But if you're using a laptop and you go to the Roy.Club website, there's no space where you can enter that referral link. The best to do is to follow the link. Here we are, we have followed the link. If this whole page is in a different language, I'm going to show you how you can change it, okay? Let's just wait for it to load entirely. Okay, let's go back to the, okay, here. So when you are here on top here, click on this and then change the language here. If you find it in a different language, maybe Russian, Italian, you know, there's so many languages, and we are the English speakers, so then you can choose English and it will be translated to English. Here you then click on login. Here you paste the address, okay? And here you click on sign in. It will bring me here. And here make sure that it's your country. Choose your country from the list. I choose Namibia. And here please choose CIS, because this is our old structure and most of us are under CIS structure. If you choose international, you will be placed into some random teams. So if make sure that you choose CIS structure, because this is our team. Okay, because if you are watching to this, if you are watching this video, it means you were referred to this business by our team, and hence you need to choose CIS because our team is under CIS. It's an old structure, an existing structure, and an international structure. It's quite a new one, so you fall under some random people that you will not know. And here, phrase for signing. Now this is very important. Pay attention. Phrase for signing, you copy it. You copy it so that you can go to Sigen and generate a signature that you will come and paste here. You see here where it says enter signature, we need it. But where will you find it? Where will you find it if you don't have it right now? We're going to copy the phrase. We will go to Sigen, and then I'll go to my UMI address, the one that I want to use for staking. I'll click on signature. I'll paste the phrase here, and then I'll click on generate signature. And then I'll copy, and then I'll go back to Ray. Let me just close this. Paste the signature here. And then I'll click on I have read. So let me just go down. I have read, and then I'll click sign up. Already invested. Okay, so now I have been provided with investment address, right? So I will not click on already invested because I haven't invested yet. Yeah, so I'll click on copy here. I'll copy this Roy address. This is very important. This is now your staking investment address. Then I'll go to my Roy.Club. Let me close this. I'll paste it here. And then on the UMI amount, I can click on send all here. And then I'll click on request code on email. Okay, let me request. Right now, I don't want to stake. Okay, this video was just to show you how you can. So you're gonna click on send all. You're gonna click on request code on email. You enter the code, and that's it. So as soon as the coins are gone into your staking structure, or maybe let me just do it so I can show you. Let me just do it. Let's wait for the code to come. Just waiting for the code to come through. So we have available minutes 9. It has come through. Let me show you. 6, 7, 6, 8, 5, 9. Now click on withdraw. Successfully. So now we're gonna wait for a few seconds. It's very quick, so that our withdraw the transaction in the sum of, yeah. So I'll wait for that for our staking structure to activate, and we'll see it right here. So let's just give it some few minutes, and then we are done. Basically, we are done right now. Let's just go back to, I just want to show you a few things here. Let's say you have logged out here, and you just want to come back. Basically, we are done staking, so we can go out. I just want to show you how you can always come back to here, because now you are done staking, so you don't now need to follow the link anymore because you are done staking. You can just go to Roy.Club, and then you click on let's wait for it to fully load. Or is it done? Okay, here. Then you click on login. If the language is not in English, as I said, please click English here by the flag. Okay, and then you click on login here. So let's go back to Sigen to get the UMI address. There it is. I'm gonna paste it in. Then you say sign in. You will now see the amount of coins that you have staked. Okay, let's see. How did you hear about us? From a friend? How do I now get rid of this? Should I say enter? Okay, anyways. So it says you have followed the user's referral link 59361. You were transferred by the overflow function to the leader. So yeah, basically that's correct because it's my link. So make sure that it is your leaders or the person that has referred to your business link. And if you were transferred, it's not a problem because this person will still be the one to get the 5% commission. All right. So the reason why we are referring others to the business is also that we can also receive commission. And it's just fair enough, right? So of course, I'm going to click there. Then you can see here your UMI balance. Here it is. And remember that you have staked how many? 22. We have staked 22.5, I think something coins. But then the system takes 10% staking fee. That's a once-off fee. All right. That's a once-off fee. Every time you add new coins into the staking structure, you will then pay the 10%. And then from there, going forward, you'll be earning 32% per month. That's here it is taking percentage 0.93% per day. So every day you are getting 0.93% per day, and overall per month is 32% per month. And for it to become, I know some people will probably ask, if we are earning 0.93% per day, why does it become 32%? It's because it always look at the previous day balance. So when tomorrow you have 21 here, the next day it will be 21 times 0.93%. Okay. Then the other day it will be 22 perhaps, and then it will be 22 times 0.93% or plus the 0.9 because that's profit. All right. And if you want to top up, this is the investment address that you want to take. You click here. Then you go to your Sigen. You have already purchased your UMI, right? And then you click, you come here on the right side here where it says withdraw. So you have already you have available balance of maybe 22. So you enter your staking address there. And then you click with send all. Right now it will say because we don't have a balance. Let's say now we enter 20. Maybe you want to top up 20 and you click on request here and you enter the code and that's it. You are done. This is how you navigate your Sigen on the website. I hope it has helped. This is also how you stake. I have showed you the whole process. I hope it helps. I know sometimes I just talk without coming to the point, but guys, just bear with me. I'm not a teacher. I'm just trying to help out. So thank you very much. Let us know if you have any questions. And I wanted to show you your structure. Let's just refresh this. How do I refresh? F what? Is it F5? But let me not just now. Let me just click on somewhere else. We go to profile. And then we come back. We can come back to wallet. Let's see. Okay. And here you can also see the transactions that has been happening on this account. Structure. Okay, I just want to refresh. How do I refresh? Okay. Oh, don't say that I'm logged out. Okay, I see I'm not logged out. Let me just close this. Okay. I cannot see our 20 UMI coins in the structures. Okay, this is just a summary of Roy.Club because Roy.Club has a we are staking in the Roy.Club structure or Roy.Club masternode staking pool because the higher the amount of coins in the structure, like where it is written here, the more transactions are verified by that specific masternode, hence the more the profits of 32% per month. So this is the structure side, and then structure balance, calculate, okay. That only shows how many coins you have in the structure, okay. There it is. So I have 20.56. just that I can't see them here. But yeah, you can also see there. This is another staking structure, but this seems to be more private because it only has about how many people are here? The participants, just 686. And while for the UMI, which is more public, it is over 180,000 now. Okay, let's see addresses. The selected UMI address does not have a structure address involved in staking. Oh, okay, so I have to click here. You see? Yes. So I have clicked on here. It is very important, guys, to read. So now you can see the balance of coins in this structure, in this staking account. Can I put it that way? Staking structure. Okay, 20.5, and I'll be getting 32% per month more coins, which I can withdraw anytime. You see this withdraw button? If you click it, right now these coins are accessible to you. Hmm? And when you're topping up, sometimes you don't even need to go to Roy.Club, as I said. You can actually just come here and click on Roy here and then copy this address. This is your staking address. And then you come here because you already have the available balance of UMI. Then you come here, paste the address there. Click on send all or enter the amount of coins that you want to send. And then click on the request code via email, get the code, put it in, and that's it. You have topped up. So the coins that you're going to top up will directly go into your structure because now you have a staking structure. You don't need to restake anymore. All what you do, you just top up because you have a staking structure. This is your staking structure, okay? That represents your staking structure, if I can put it that way. And I think we are done. Yeah. So we are done, guys. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye. Ciao.